Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video we will learn how we can make a website without coding. Yes, you heard right. We can also make a website without coding. And friends, we will make a website and we will learn about Elementor. Friends, Elementor these days very popular page builder. You just need a drag and drop and website is ready. Okay, and after watching this tutorial or this crash course, I am damn sure you will be able to make any kind of website. Okay, friends, yes, you are right. Any kind of website you can make easily without coding. Okay, friends, and this is very popular page builder, and a lot of digital marketing agency are using this page builder, and lot of freelancer are using this page builder. Okay, and friends, this is very popular. So let's get started without wasting our time. How we can make a website in WordPress with Elementor and no coding required. So let's get started. This is our Elementor dashboard, or you can say Elementor platform where we can edit our pages or post. Okay, I hope you already familiar with WordPress. Basic functionality or basic feature of WordPress means how we can create a page or how we can create a post, how we can install a plugin. Okay, in this video I'm not going to talk about this stuff. In this video my focus is just about Elementor. Okay, so friends, on my left hand side you can see some element of Elementor, and some are free, some are paid. This is a locked element because right now I am using a free Elementor. Okay, friends. So uh, don't worry, you can also make a professional website with free elements of Elementor. Okay, you can see a lot of elements available in free feature also. Okay, so first let's take a section, click on this plus button. Okay, now you can see there is a lot of things, means you can say this is a section or column or row. Okay, means this is a one column, two column, three column. It's up to you, what's your requirement. If you want two column, let's take this. If you want three column, take this. Four means or different type of layout. Okay, so it's up to you, what's your requirement, what's your need. I'm going with this. Okay, so this is our first section, or this is our, you can say, one row. Okay, okay, if you want to edit this section, so click over here. Okay, now left hand side you can see layout style advanced, and this feature is for this section. Okay, uh, when it comes, when we click over here, okay, then it comes. Okay, so this is a layout style and advanced. Okay, inside a layout, as you see, content width boxed and full width. By default it's selected boxed. Okay, uh, I'm taking a heading to show you what's the difference between a box or full width. Okay, so click over here. Okay, when I choose a box, so you can see, just hide this panel. Okay, you can see the content start from here. Okay, if you want to full width, if you want the content start from here, then go with full width. Click over here and choose full width. So you can see, hide this panel, and you can see the content now starting from here. So, okay, so it's up to you, what's your requirement. So I'm going with boxed. Okay, you can set the content width from here. Okay, suppose I put 12. So this is a content width, means 12 pixel. You can see this is, okay, 2. So this is content width. Okay, so it's up to you, it's your requirement. Okay, and now let's talk about column gaps. No gap, narrow, different type of gaps available. Okay, let's take two columns. Okay, uh, you can take two columns from here. Okay, but if you want to make a second column inside this, so you just need a right click over here and click on this option, add new column. So see, now you have two columns. Okay, means you divided this section into two columns. Okay, so talk about the colors, means how you can give it to color. Okay, to this section, so click over here. Okay, now click on this style. Okay, click on this style and you can see background type. Click over here. Okay, from here you can set a color, means background color. From this color, click on this and you can set a color. You can set the manually, means if you want sky blue, so you can type here. See, okay, black, so you can set the color from here. I'm giving with sky blue. Okay, okay, so you can set the background color, background overlay, border, shape divider. Okay, so different uh, elements here. Okay, okay, change the text color, so click over here. Okay, and click this style. You can set the style. Okay, you can give the color to text, your text. From here, click on this and just click where you want. Okay, and which color you want. So I'm giving black. Perfect. Okay, you can also change the font. Click over here, typography, a different type of fonts available. See, okay, you can set the size from here. See, okay, you can set them manually. I'm giving 28. Okay, you can set the weight, means thickness. See, okay, line height, letter spacing. Okay, so this is means how you can give a color to your section or text. Okay, okay, now let's talk about inner section. Inner section, what does it? Okay, uh, okay, I'm removing this. Okay, now we have just one section. Okay, click, just drag and drop here. Okay, now we have inner section. Okay, and put image and click over here. Okay, and take a image. Okay, I'm taking a this image. Okay, I'm giving with full, not thumbnail, not curve. Okay, let's take a full. Okay, and you can set the alignment of your image, left, center, right. This is a full, so you can't see the difference between left, right, center. Okay, so and in this column I am giving a heading. Okay, so uh, I am this is my custom heading. Okay, change the color, white, no, black is better. Yes, okay, okay, you can set the margin. means if you want to space your heading, if you want to give the space your heading from top, okay, toward the bottom, so you can set the margin, means 12, okay, 50. By default it's taking a whole margin, means from left, right, center, means uh, from all direction. If you want to set manually, means particular direction, so click over here, and now you can set the, now you can set the value manually to each direction. Okay, just see 12. Okay, and from top I'm giving a 50. Let's see. Okay, now it's taking a space just from top. Okay, now let's, okay, take a text editor. This is our text editor, and just drag and drop here. Okay, and change the color white. Okay, I'm copying it and pasting to set a dummy text. Okay, like a paragraph. See, okay, if you want to add a button here, so you can choose from here, select, drag this and drop here. See, this is our button. You can set the color, click over here and click this style. Okay, now you can see a lot of feature available. Okay, background color. Okay, click over here and I'm giving a black. Okay, or change the text. Okay, click over here and just remove this, and let's just read more. Okay, so this is a perfect section. Means we just learned me how we can make a section, or how we can make inner section inside a section. Okay, now you are confusing, this is a two column, so what's the difference and what's the importance of an inner section? Okay, suppose we take a section, means two columns. Okay, and I'm giving the image to it inside this, just drag and drop here. Let's take an image. Okay, and just give the text. Okay, just copy it and paste it. Okay, so friends, this is a two column, not a inner section. This is inner section inside a section. Okay, this is our whole section divided into two columns, but this is a two columns, means inner section inside a whole section. Okay, so suppose I hope you understand, means what I'm trying to explaining it, difference between two columns or inner section. Okay, suppose I want text, uh, okay, top of these two columns. Okay, but here we can't. Let's test. Suppose I am dragging and, okay, so it's not managing. Okay, if I am placing here, so it's coming inside this column, not the top of both columns. Okay, but here we can add the heading. Okay, see, and change the color. let's just make it center. Now you can see this heading. Okay, this heading inside this whole section and above these inner section. Okay, above these two column. Okay, but here we can't make a space between, oh sorry, above the columns. So this is the difference between two columns or inner section. Means now I hope you understood what I am trying to say, difference between inner column or two columns, inner section or two columns. Okay, so this is inner section image text editor. So all elements similarly like these inner section two columns means all section you can edit like this. Okay, suppose you uh, suppose let's take means it's up to you, means if you need a image box, this is a different type of elements. Okay, see, if you want to edit, so click over here and change the style from here. So this is a section inside a image box. Oh sorry, this is a image box inside a section. Okay, friends, one important thing, if you don't take a section first, okay, before taking a element, so if you dragging and dropping here this element, so it's already comes inside a section. Okay, please remember this. So you can make it a whole website from a scratch, but it's take a too much time. Okay, so let's do smart things. Okay, just remove it, just remove it and remove it. So friends, now let's make a pages with pre-built page. Okay, click over here. Okay, here is some free and paid pages available. Let's take a free page. Okay, click let's take okay, first take a home page. Home page. Okay, restaurant, let's take a restaurant page. Click over insert. Okay, it's inserting. Okay, now we have a page. Okay, you can also edit this all sections. You can also edit this image, this section. Okay, you can also remove it, which one is you required, which one is not required. Okay, it's up to you. So suppose this is our home page and just click over here update. See, and go back to our dashboard. Okay, click over here all pages. Okay, so I'm going to change the name. I'm giving this, I'm renaming to home page. Okay, and click over update. See, okay, now let's test no coding skills.local slash home. Oh, come on. Uh, what's wrong? Let's check permalink. Okay, we have to change permalink also. So home update. Now let's test. So friends, this is our home page. Okay, now let's make about page. Okay, click to add new. give it to name about, click on publish. Okay, now click on edit with Elementor. Close this page. Okay, now click over here. I'm going to take a pre-built page to make about page. Okay, just about. Okay, let's take again this page. Okay, we will just customize this. Okay, let's remain the banner same. Okay, and okay, just remove this. Okay, just remove this section and remove this section. Okay, let's over here, and we can change. So this is our about page. We can also change the background image. Let's change the background image. Click over here, just go to style and change the image. mm, okay, let's try this. Insert. Oh, it's the same, sorry. Let's try horizontal image. No one. Okay, let's take this. Okay, first let's check on our home page which images already exist. No coding skills.com. Okay, okay, so we can take this image. Okay. This is our menu. Okay, our suite collections. You can change it by just click over here, which one section or which one element to edit. Just click over here. Okay, you can change it. Tasty pasta. Okay, tasty breakfast. Okay, so let's click on update. So friends, now we have two pages, home page, about page. Just remove this dummy page. Go back to dashboard, click over all pages. Okay, just remove this sample page and testing page. Okay, and remain the privacy policy. It's important to our website. Okay, home page, about page, and let's create last one is which is contact us page. Okay, give it to name contact. Click on publish. Now click with edit with Elementor. Okay, now let's take a blocks. Okay, click on blocks. uh, let's take which one is fit for our contact page. Okay, we can also search and choose a page contact. Yeah, contact, yes. Yeah, so first we, okay, just this is free, no free. Okay, I think which one is better and looking great and free also. So just click over here. Let's take this. So this is our contact a space. You can change your location, our contact us. Okay, I am putting up another one more section above this section. So click over here and just click this section. Okay, and click over here and just I'm taking a image, uh, background image. Click over here, just take a image, and just take this one. Okay, here is no content, so that's why it's looking this. And okay, we just need to set the height, fit to screen. Oh, it's too low. Just mm, min height. Okay, okay, so we took min height. Okay, now we can set the heading for mentioning contact us. Okay, oh, sorry. Okay, and click over style. Let's change the color white and make it to center. Yes, perfect. Click over update. So now we have three page: home page, contact us page, about us page. Okay, let's set the arrangement. Okay, let's set the order of the pages. Now it's coming about contact page. Okay, let's set in. Okay, click over the appearance and click menus. Okay, let's create an image. Okay, this menu is by default. It's showing by default menu. Okay, let's create our menu. Give it to name custom. I'm giving custom menu. Okay, create a menu. Click on it. Okay, and set the primary menu. Save menu. Okay, and click view all. Add the page home about contact. Click to add to menu. Sorry, remove this. This is not our actual home page. This is our actual home page. Okay, just set here. Click to save menu. Okay, now let's test our website. No coding skills, our URL, and home page. See home page about contact. Suppose no coding. Okay, we have to just set by default home page. So go to settings and go to settings and just reading. Okay, click over static page and select our home page by default. This save changes. Now let's test the website. So this is our website. This is our home page. This is our about us page. Okay, and this is our contact us page. So friend, this is our Elementor tutorial and this is a crash course. Okay, after watching this you just need a practice and you can also make a website, means any kind of website with Elementor. You can see we just made a website in a minutes. Okay, and you can also make it. So if you enjoyed this video, so please like, share and subscribe my video. And my focus, if you are non-technical person and if you want to move in IT, so my focus means you don't need to effort to make a website. Means you don't need to learn a code. These days people and people Even digital marketing agency or any IT marketing agency, or you can say website designing agency, are using a page builder or WordPress. WordPress is very powerful, and similarly page builder Elementor, which is very powerful these days. So you can also play with it. You just need a practice. So let's meet in our next video. Take care. Goodbye.